Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take the screenshot with your Insta360 Link Webcam. And to do this you'll need to get Insta360 Link controller app on your PC or MacBook, and I've shown you in our previous video on how to do it. Now open the app, connect your camera, adjust the angle you want to take the screenshot for, and then let me adjust it, and then click on the button right here and you'll be able to take the screenshot. And when you press on it you can see the path where the screenshot is saved. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.